Hey everyone! Welcome back. Today we're looking at the brand new DJI Mini 5 Pro, the latest compact drone from DJI that's making waves. We'll go through the latest news, dig into the specs, check real-world performance, unwrap it, and decide if it's really the one to buy. The Mini 5 Pro was officially launched on 17 September 2025 in many regions, with the key highlight of bringing a 1-inch CMOS sensor into the Mini class. It weighs 249.9 grams according to official specs, which is important because staying under 250 grams in many regions means fewer registration restrictions. Reviewers say this model sets a new gold standard for mini drones, thanks to pro-level features in a compact package. Sensor and camera. It features a 1-inch CMOS sensor with up to 50 MP stills, video capable of 4K, 60 fps HDR, and some sources mention 4K, 120 FPS slow motion, with 10-bit color, high dynamic range approximately 14 stops in some modes. Gimbal and movement. A very flexible gimbal with up to 225 rotation, allowing for vertical, horizontal shooting, creative angles, obstacle sensing and safety, omnidirectional sensing plus front, LiDAR sensor for better night or low light obstacle detection. Flight performance. Standard flight time approximately 36 minutes with the intelligent flight battery. Optional plus battery extends it up to approximately 52 minutes in ideal conditions. Weight and portability. Folded size approximately 157.95 millimeters. Ultralight body aimed at being backpack friendly. Transmission and storage. Internal 42 gigabytes. Storage included in some packages, so you can capture without immediately relying on microSD. Additional specs. Max horizontal speed approximately 19 meters per second in sport mode under special battery, so they visually pop. For travel and creators. Because it's so compact and light, you can bring it along on trips, hikes, urban shoots, and not feel weighed down. For low light/desk shoots, the larger sensor and improved aperture help in lower lighting scenarios compared to many smaller drones. According to reviews, T3 says it delivers breathtaking footage, next-level stability, and serious power. Flight time and wind. Real-world flight time will vary depending on wind, altitude, temperature, payload. As you can see, the packaging looks really premium. DJI has once again done a great job with a clean and elegant box design. The box feels solid, well-sealed, and gives that professional vibe even before opening it. If you're unboxing the Fly More combo, you'll also find the charging hub, ND filters, and a nice DJI carrying bag that keeps everything organized. So, that's everything inside the box.